Let's now talk about what's happening in Vadodara. 2014 poll drama enacted on the streets of Vadodara all day today. Narendra Modi's challenger is Madhusudan Mistry. He is a senior Congress General Secretary, backroom boy, very close to Rahul Gandhi, and the man who is in charge of the list, all-important list of Uttar Pradesh. Now, look at Madhusudan Mistry on your television screen. Madhusudan Mistry climbed onto an electricity pole in Vadodara. He tore down Narendra Modi's posters and tried to put his own there. Now, what did he say? He says that he hasn't been given any space to put up his posters, and he's given an ultimatum to the Election Commission. He's threatened to physically remove Narendra Modi's hoardings after 11 a.m. on Thursday. Now, local election officials, however, clearly conveyed that the Election Commission will not work under pressure or a candidate's ultimatum. Mistry proceeded with carrying out his threat. Mistry has got bail. He was produced in a Vadodara court. He's created quite a buzz.
Leading an angry 500-strong crowd, climbing an electric pole and then tearing down posters, the Congress's Rajya Sabha MP Madhusudan Mistry's pole vault vandalism landed him in a Vadodara police station. Just watch as the man who's challenging Modi from this constituency takes the battle literally. He tries to tear down Modi's poster and put up his own, but he doesn't quite succeed, and then his supporters take over, kicking and protesting on the streets. Mistry decided to take matters into his own hands after the Election Commission turned down his request to allot kiosks to put up Congress posters.
सरकार डरती है और सरकारी तंत्र के हिसाब से नरेंद्र मोदी बड़ौदा से चुनाव जीतना चाहता है.
Even as Mistry accused local election bodies of working in Modi's favor, the BJP was ready with its counter-attack.
कांग्रेस के कैंडिडेट का विजुअल्स अगर हम देखें तो वो ऐसे पिलर के ऊपर क्लाइम करते हुए जो पोस्टर छिपा हुआ है उसको टेयर करते हुए उनके अपने पोस्टर खुद लगाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहे थे. इसके ऊपर अगर इलेक्शन कमीशन कुछ उनके तरफ से आदेश देते हैं, एक्शन लेते हैं, ये कहां से आता है? गुजरात मोदी जी का सरकार. या तो उनका अंडरस्टैंडिंग गलत है या तो वो इलेक्शन कमीशन को ही चैलेंज कर रहे हैं. कांग्रेस इसमें साफ उनके अपने पक्ष रखें.
Mistry and 37 of his supporters were whisked away to a police station where they were charged with unlawful assembly, violation of prohibitory orders, rioting and damaging public property. A few hours later, all of them were out on bail. With Gopi Gangar in Ahmedabad, Bureau Report, headlines today.
Javed Ansari is still with me in the studio. Javed, has the Congress party been able to explain Madhusudan Mistry's actions? How difficult is the fight for him in Vadodara?
Look, everybody knows that Mr. Madhusudan Mistry has a mountain to climb in Vadodara against Narendra Modi. Now this explanation given by Mr. Madhusudan Mistry that I don't have enough space to put up my poster, is not your opponent's responsibility to give you space to put up posters. Secondly, if there's anybody to blame, it's the Congress party and Mr. Madhusudan Mistry. They were late off the blocks. If his name had been declared earlier, perhaps he would have got his act together, he would have had his campaign up and running. I think this whole thing has been engineered, has been manufactured so as to ensure that he gets some traction, some eyeballs in Vadodara.